Okay, traders, it's going to take you over here for a second. These are the trades I've just opened today, so they're running really nicely at the moment. I want to show you my scalping strategy. This is winning, guys. This is a winning strategy, big time. Let's go over here quickly. I started this on the 29th of August, the last day of August, and on that day we achieved 3.12. September week 1 we got just under 4R result, and today, well actually it's Wednesday, but Monday and Tuesday this week we're already up 2.59R and growing. You can copy these signals automatically. Okay, these are the trades I've taken, just copied from the results from my MT4. I just want to show you the strategy, and we've introduced a new indicator. Start from the top. So these are today's trades. We've got this new indicator. Let me explain something. And seriously, guys, watch this video through, because what I'm about to show you is absolutely life-changing. This is so simple, and it's free for 14 days. And after that, it's only $29.95 a month for now while I'm launching this. So, grab this opportunity and lock that in. We've got a new indicator that I'm going to be releasing today. This one is called Volume Aligned Trend Signals. It's a complex calculation. I won't go into it. And then we've got this one here. This is called Momentum Sync. So the Momentum Sync is that signal there. And the Volume Aligned Trend Signals is that signal there. There's another one. They're not buy and sell signals. This is really important. We only use them at the opening range of the session. That's it. So this is the Asian session right there. That's the Asian session open. We don't touch any of these signals anywhere else. We just ignore them. And we use this indicator, or these two indicators, together. When this one fires, we need to be in the red zone. That's the red zone. Let me just take something out and I'll show you. It's so simple. If you want an easy strategy, an easy scalping strategy, you're looking at it. All right, let's just take that out. So to enter this trade, Asia Open is marked up there. This red colored zone, you want that from this, and then when that fires, you go short. That's what I did. You also back it up. If you have a look at the Euro Aussie here, we back it up. We just flip straight over here. We check the Aussie blue and the Euro yellow, orange, all right? Okay, so the Aussie is much stronger than the Euro. That's check number 1. Check number 2 is this indicator here. Have a look. Where's the Euro Aussie? It's way down there. Euro Aussie low, okay? This is a 30-minute chart. Euro Aussie is really weak. And on this here, this is a 15-minute, all right? The Euro Aussie is right down there. That's a quick check, and then you come back and you take that trade. That's it. Okay, Euro Pound. Okay, same thing. We want these two indicators. Guys, jump on board. Don't miss this opportunity. Look, we go when these two fire. Now, this is build your account, pass your prop firm challenge. I'm doing daily mentorship videos on this. Euro New Zealand, I'm in that one. I didn't open it on here. I opened it in MT4. Now, what my challenge is at the moment is tightening up my stops. The theory that I've come up with this strategy is this. We set our stop loss at the high of this shaded range zone. It should be there if your entry is here, based off these two signals giving you the go-ahead. All right, my stops, I'm still running them off a 15-minute chart. I'll come around. Guys, I've been trading for too long, and I've developed a habit of trading with super wide stops on a daily time frame, intraday / swing trading. And it's taking me a while to surrender to this. I know it in my head, but it's a psychological, it's in your cellular memory, it's emotional. That's all the stuff you got to get through. But yeah, this old dog is slowly learning this new trick. I've been working on this because the markets have been so volatile since the Bank of Japan rate rise and Trump taking office, right? We've got a lot of chaos in the markets, pound CAD. And I developed this strategy to beat the volatility. We're nailing it. Dollar CAD we're in. And look, we could pull some of these stop losses to break even. think that might be it, guys. Yeah, okay. So, yeah, back over here. Yeah, it's still hovering around. You know what? You could just run through and close all of that and be happy days. See how this is trading up into this level? Why not? Let's just close them and just call it a day. What a really nice outcome. I mean, that's one thing we can do. The other thing we can do is this. The one that's a dollar CAD. This is the one that seems to be... What we could do, let's just take everything out. And I don't have a problem closing this basket of trades at all. I seriously don't have an issue with this. Let's just do that so that we're ahead. And this one that's moving, let's do this. But, you know, we could move our stop loss. Just there. Confirm, righto. Done. See how we go with that. I mean, if that pulls away without taking out that stop loss, that's awesome. Not a bad strategy. Like if your basket of trades doing well, go with the one that's the strongest. Do that. Yeah, see how it goes. If it gets taken out, look, it's no risk, isn't it? And there's a chance that that could continue. Yeah, we're nearly at 1R. It might be a little bit early to do that, but we'll give it a shot, okay? So guys, look, here's my offer to you. Try this for 14 days at zero cost. It's on my website, anthonyfx.com. You're going to gain full access. Let me show you Telegram and Discord. Let's go to Discord. Okay, I got all my prop firms under there. You gain access to daily mentorship videos, trading education, daily mentorship right there. Live trading, Asian session trades. Okay, these are members only. Scalping tutorial. And I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible, the strategy, and we've got it. Trading strategies, you know, the video will go in there. And, you know, other ideas I can throw in here, Forex ideas. If you've been following me, you'll find that some of my ideas have been really profitable. So I'll post them in here, like the screenshot with the idea, and then you use the indicators to get involved with the trade. And, you know, you can copy my trade. So that's Discord. Jump in here. Telegram here, copy friendly. I got the crypto channel. You can automatically copy those trades as well. You can automatically copy these. And then over here, you pay $0 upfront and you gain access immediately. If you click on the WAP link, I'll probably avoid this PayPal link, guys, because it'll take time for me to get back to you. But WAP is immediate. You click that and you're not billed. You go in there, you click on Get Access. Once you've done that, go back into WAP and click on that, click on that, click on Discord and click on this, and that will give you immediate access. You'll have access to the indicators then and there. Just go straight into TradingView and they'll be there for you, ready to go. And in 2 weeks, this is going to bill you $29.95. It's just a joke, guys. Seriously, look, I'm wanting to offer this to people. It's a new strategy, been going since the 2nd week now, but every day is a winning day. And this is an incredible opportunity for you. This is going to go up to $49.95 and then $79.95 and maybe more after that. So you could lock that in forever with the 14-day trial. And the other thing is the trade copy. You've got 2 options here. Have a look at it, guys. Just read it. Because people ask me questions that are already on here. Look, come down. A trade copy will give you immediate VIP access. It's $80 a month, but it's going to be $30 a month cheaper than TS Copier. All you do is send me your MT4 or MT5 details, and I set it up on my end, connect you to my account, and we're away. As easy as that. And it's just a fixed $80 a month. If you do TS Copier, it'll cost you more. If you want TS Copier, yeah, still prefer TS Copier. Down here, there's the link. Anyway, it's in Discord. If you go here, you'll see Trade Copy TS Copier, this one down here. And this gives you everything you need to know. And it also gives you this here. This is the TS Copier settings. Info on the My Trade Copy right there. It's all in here as well. Okay, guys, look, join me on this journey. And I'm 100% confident that you are going to be blown away by this because it is so unique and there's nothing like this in the world anywhere. I can 100% assure you. So jump on board, take up the free trial and join me along with everybody else. Okay, guys, so with that, hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.